Hi there, Shape Explorers! Welcome back to our channel, where we go on exciting adventures into the world of shapes. Today we're talking about why shapes are important and learning how to measure line segments. Let's get started. Shapes are everywhere around us, from the curves of a flower petal to the straight lines of a building. We can see corners, edges, planes, open curves, and closed curves in our surroundings. Shapes can be sorted into line segments, angles, triangles, polygons, and circles. Each shape has its own size and measure, which helps us understand the world. Have you ever wondered how we measure them? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about line segments. These are parts of a line, and we measure their lengths using different methods. One way is by observation, but it might not always be right. By just looking at them, can you tell which one is longer? You can see that AB is longer, but you cannot always be sure about your usual judgment. For example, look at these line segments. The difference in lengths between these two may not be obvious. In this figure, AB and PQ have the same lengths. This is not quite obvious, so we need better methods of comparing line segments. The other way to compare the lengths of two line segments is tracing. To compare AB and CD, we use a tracing paper, trace CD, and place the traced segment on AB. Can you decide now which one among AB and CD is longer? The effectiveness of this approach relies heavily on accurately tracing the line segment. Furthermore, if you wish to compare it with another length, you'll need to trace another line segment, which can be challenging and inconvenient to do repeatedly whenever you need to make comparisons. That's where rulers and dividers help. Rulers and dividers are our helpers for measuring line segments well. With the ruler, we read the marks carefully to avoid mistakes. It is segmented into 15 parts, each measuring 1 centimeter. Additionally, each centimeter is further divided into 10 subparts, with each subpart representing 1 millimeter. If 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter, what will be 2, 3, or 7 centimeters? Let's measure the length of a line segment using ruler. To measure the length of line segment AB, place the ruler's zero mark at point A and read the measurement at point B. This measurement represents the length of AB. For example, if the measurement is 5.8 centimeters, we can express it as AB equals 5.8 centimeters. It's important to note that errors can occur when using this method, as reading the ruler's markings may be challenging due to its thickness. For accurate measurements, position your eye directly above the mark on the ruler. Angular viewing can lead to errors in measurement. To avoid such problems, we use the divider. Position the divider's arms at points A and B, then lift it and place it on the ruler, aligning one end with the zero mark. Read the measurement at the other end. It helps us measure lengths very carefully. That's it, Shape Explorers! We've learned why shapes matter and how to measure line segments. Remember, math is everywhere, waiting for us to learn and explore. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. Keep exploring shapes and learning. Until next time, bye!